In this video, I will show you how to disable or enable the talkback on your Samsung Galaxy A25. So, if you have accidentally enabled this mode, this is how you get out of it. You have to use basically two fingers at the same time to scroll the phone and tap once on any item and to select it, and then double tap on it to basically enter the thing. So we first need to access the settings. If you got the settings in your app folder, maybe here again, use your two fingers to scroll. Again, two fingers at the same time, or you can do that from settings here. So, and if we want to access the settings, we can simply click once on the settings, so it's selected, and then double tap on it again. Again, use two fingers to navigate down. Okay, till we see this accessibility. Click once to select it and double click on it. So then select TalkBack and okay, click on and double click. Turn off and double click. Okay. Yeah, I absolutely hate this mode. So, but that's how you successfully get out of it. And also, if you want to enable it, so here you can do it in the accessibility and talkback. So also, I highly suggest to use these talkback shortcuts. So click allow and maybe create this accessibility button here, so you can easily, very easily and quickly get out of this mode when you need it, or enable it when you actually need it. So we can create the shortcut, turn on the talkback. I absolutely hate this thing. Okay, finally got out. Okay, as you see, we got this small thing here. Click. Uh, it's quite a hassle, obviously. We can set up buttons as well, obviously. Absolute nightmare. This is terrible. How long I'm taking this? Okay. I can't leave this. Man. That's complete failure. Okay. Come on, I want. No, I give up basically. So I'll set up maybe the buttons basically. This is absolute terrible mode. They need to make it better. It's absolute sucks. Anyway, this is how I do it on these phones. If this is helpful, make sure to hit the like button.